Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a vlog of my dog. If you hear any, like jingling noises, that's my dog's collar. I'm just going to show you him right now. Where is he? Oh, here he is. Look at him there. I'm having a great time. Looking at the camera. See, he's got Scout. We got him when he was 7 weeks, and he's very new. And look at him. Scout, say hi. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. Yeah, you need to talk in that voice. And yeah, he eats everything. Yesterday, when I took him for a walk, yeah, that's right, he can go for walks. Because we've had him for like, I don't know, maybe 13 weeks. And I took him for a walk yesterday. Oh,
Scouts!
That's my dad shouting at him because he just took, you know what I'm saying, like that, a plant pot out. Say hi to the people. And yesterday I took him for a walk and then he was just sniffing around, but then a mouse popped up out of the ground and when he ate it, I heard it squeal. And by the time my dad came to shout at him, he was already licking his lips. And yeah, he always eats shoes like this. And that's my new trampoline. If you haven't seen it, I could show you a bounce on it. No, it's a dog video. I shouldn't do that. Look at him. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people, Scout. Say cheese. Hello. Say hi. Hello. There you go. Okay, bark. There we go. He said it. You said it. This is Snick. Okay, now get it. Just goes and gets it. Scout, bring it! Bring it! Bring it! Good boy! Alright. Yeah, you have to talk in that voice because he'll be responsible to that voice. Scouts! And he knows loads of like tricks. He knows how, not really tricks, like things that you have to do in training, like how, like sit and stay and if you have a dog, you'll know these probably. And you can, if you just say sit and stay, he'll stay. And he can do stay while he's in the down position, if you do that. And yeah. And Scout, I don't know what he's going to do today. What are you going to do, Scout? You don't know what he's going to do. Scout! Say hi! Say hi! Yeah, we'll probably see. I might do a video of when he's like full grown, I don't know. Maybe. And he's probably going to be alive when I'm 19. Okay? 19. Yeah, because he was born on February 2020. And look at him, he's so cute. Scout, look at the people. Look at the people. He's like 20 weeks old. And yeah, he's just really cute. Now, leave a like on this video and subscribe if you think he's cute. And hit the notification bell as well. And yeah, and comment below if you have a dog and or if you don't have a dog. If you do have a dog, if you don't have a dog, just comment below. Just comment below. I don't know. If you like. And if you have a dog, just put his name down and tell him that you have a dog. So, look at him right here. Yes, Scout. Yeah, he's really cute. Scout! Yeah, this might seem really dangerous because it might think it was nailed in. There's no nails, he just found it. Yeah, because he just finds everything when he starts eating it. So, what's that? And look what he did to my football. He literally torn it in half. Oh man, it's got water in it. Look what he did to that. He's like literally bust everything. He can bite through foam, which is really good for just a 20-week-old pup. Yeah. And where? Yeah. Oh no, I'm putting my finger in front of the camera. Yeah. And this is actually a frisbee. And the dog might get it. Oh no, he's too interested in that stick. Scout, no sticks allowed. No sticks allowed, Scout. In fact, I'm putting on the trampoline. There you go. Now Scout, come with me. Come. Oh God, he's biting me. Scout, he's laughing at. Oh God. Yeah, that's it.
Stop. He's going to rip your jumper.
I'm doing it. Yeah, my dad, he just bites everything. So, yeah, that's my dad shouting at him.
Stop if he does that, right? Come here.
Yeah.
What's that doing on there?
Everything. Yeah, and he might even eat. And you know, he might even eat like a pug or something. And you know what? My last dog, called George, he's 17, and he was already the size of Scout from now, which is really, really, really good. It's really, really, really cool. And he's gonna get to be as big when he like stands up on his two legs. He can probably put my paws on it, his paws on my foot. So that's all, guys. See you on my next video. It's probably going to be a gaming video. I don't know. But peace. Oh yeah, peace.